In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Microsoft Store gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official page, choose the right amount, and securely complete your purchase so you get a digital code delivered to your account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Microsoft Gift Card Digital Code. Look for the official Microsoft Store result. It should clearly indicate that it's a digital code, and the web address should come from a trusted Microsoft domain. Check for the secure padlock in your browser's address bar. Avoid third-party resellers for this walkthrough, since we're focusing on the official Microsoft Store experience. Click the correct result to open the Microsoft Store gift card page. On this page, confirm you're viewing the digital version, not a physical card. Also, glance at the region or country indicator. Gift cards are region-specific, so make sure the store matches your country to avoid currency or redemption issues later. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In at the top of the page and log in to your Microsoft account. Signing in first helps the store show the right prices and ensures the gift card attaches to the correct region and account at checkout. If you use multiple Microsoft accounts, double-check you're on the one where you want the order history and confirmation to appear. Next, choose an amount for the gift card. You'll typically see preset amounts and sometimes a custom option depending on your region. Pick the amount that matches your budget and needs. Keep in mind that Microsoft gift cards are generally for digital purchases such as apps, games, and in some regions, certain subscriptions. Always review any notes on eligibility and restrictions on the page. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. Confirm that the product says digital code and verify the quantity is correct. If you only need one code, make sure the quantity is set to 1 to avoid extra charges. Open your cart to review the order, check the amount, currency, and product type again. If taxes or fees apply in your area, you'll see them here. If everything looks right, click Checkout to continue. At checkout, enter your payment details and billing information. Make sure your billing address matches your payment method and region. When all fields are complete, click Place Order. After a moment, you should receive an order confirmation. The digital gift card code is typically delivered to your email and will also appear in your Microsoft order history. That's it. Quick, secure, and straightforward. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Microsoft Store gift card.